हाय ऑल, दिस इज आशीष क्याल हियर एंड आज का हमारा टॉपिक है स्टॉक सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस. आई एम श्योर मेनी ऑफ यू वांट टू नो which sectors will outperform, how to select a stock from that sector, how to go about it. So for that I am publishing this short video on how to go about stock selection. Before stock selection, it is important that you understand which sectors can perform well and which sectors are underperforming, which sectors are outperforming. If you want to pick up momentum stocks, you need to pick up the sector that is outperforming. From the outperforming sector, you can possibly select the stock. And how to select this outperforming sector is what I'm going to just share across with you over here. So if you can see my screen, okay. If you can see the screen here, this is the sector comparative chart, I would say. Over here, the candles that you are seeing is the candle of Nifty that you can make out, and above whatever is there above Nifty are the sectors that are outperforming. You can see that FMCG has just started to outperform Nifty since August onward. This is approximately 1.5 month chart. FMCG is the sector that is outperforming. IT has strongly outperformed in this period. What is very interesting, अगर आप देखेंगे मेटल में शार्प फॉल है, मेटल सेक्टर हैज शार्पली डिक्लाइंड on the downside. Along with that, you can clearly see the PSU banking space also. So very interestingly is what you can make out. The space which looks under pressure is metal, PSU banks and real estate, which is underperforming now. And private banks have continued to do well. That's why we see Bank Nifty over here. And the sector that you have to focus on is FMCG. So these are different lines which is compared from this specific date that you see on the left hand side. By looking at this comparative chart, you can make sure that you are selecting the sector from the outperforming ones. So FMCG looks like the sector which is just coming out and can be the one that is outperforming now. On the same time, IT can consolidate because it is looking like overbought, and metal can underperform now. That is what the sectoral comparison can help you with. So once you have identified the sector, in similar fashion, you can then start doing stock selection. Isn't this amazing? One simple chart gives you thousands of information. It's just up to you how you interpret that. This is what I wanted to share across. And it's not necessary that you rely only on this chart. There are multiple ways to look at it. I've shown you one of the ways, and now it's up to you how you want to utilize this information. So this is Ashish Kyal here. Just before we wind down, Wave Strategy Advisors is SEBI registered and research analyst, and all forms of investing or trading carries risk. This is purely from education perspective. OCL or Wave Strategy does not bear any liability for the same. You can get in touch with me on YouTube at @KyalAshish, or you can directly tweet me across at @KyalAshish. So this is Ashish Kyal from Wave Strategy Advisors. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you.